to start vlogs anymore.
What do I say? There was a bug on the dashboard and it was really sticky and I tried to clean it up with a napkin and it got all stuck. But it's a road trip day, so that's cool. Alicia and I are going to Texas. We're going to Texas to see Jon Bellion. We're meeting more people down there. A bunch of her friends, I guess. We're seeing Jon Bellion. Woo! How cool is that? If you guys don't know who that is, you've been living under a rock. Which I probably shouldn't say because I didn't know who Jon Bellion was until probably like senior year of high school. It's just gonna be an awesome day. We're going down to Dallas. A 3-hour drive right now. We're gonna walk around wherever, Denton, and we're just gonna chill and we're gonna have a good time. Oh, also I got a new phone yesterday, so if the camera quality looks any different, let me know what you think. This is the front camera, so I don't think much has changed, but the back camera is even better. So tell me what you think of my sunglasses in the comments below. I feel so weird when I wear them.
Why?
Because I feel like it just looks weird. It's strange. I feel like I'm trying too hard.
Why did you buy them then?
I didn't. My mom did.
Oh.
My mom bought them for me and handed them to me and said, here, these are for Oklahoma City. And I was like, oh, thanks, Mom. First time using the back camera on my phone, and it's to record the Welcome to Texas sign. We're in Texas. We're going down to Denton. We're gonna hang out all day and we'll vlog a little bit down there. But for now, we're just listening to Jon Bellion. Oh, and Alicia's mom made cookies.
The concert tonight, she's in Aggie, so.
We're definitely in Texas. Oh, that's cool too. We're definitely in Texas. Jon Bellion's tour bus is right there. We are at the Toyota Irving, Texas thing, something. To see him. So many people here. This is crazy. Absolutely insane. The gates have opened. I'm excited.
Okay.
Well, sometimes. Thank you very much. Dude, this is nuts.
When it gets dark and if you don't
My wristband. Oh, wow. This is wide open. Dude, this is insane. We decided to hit the merch line before the concert actually started. But the problem is they don't have hats. So,
I'm sad.
I don't know what we
I wanted
should...
to buy a hat.
But I'm definitely gonna probably get a t-shirt and a sweatshirt and
Didn't spend all.
everything. John, you can take my soul.
worth it.
I don't even care. I got my Glory Sound Prep merch and my Glory Sound Prep t-shirt,
Dropped $60, but I got a Moss joint shirt.
but it was worth it. 100%. This place is starting to get packed. It's like lots of people. Very large group of people. If you have claustrophobia, this wouldn't be good for you. I will be seeing HAR in Wisconsin. After 2 openers,
Two.
it's almost time.
Too many.
Yeah, and that guy took his shirt off and it got really weird.
And he was weird. But it's okay. We're almost there.
Jon
2 hours later.
Bellion. Jon Bellion is about to come out.
Heck yeah. They've been testing the lights, so it's gonna be soon.
Oh my gosh! Ooh, glow stick.
distances are God's end. What's he say? Remember drinks too far away. Picture plays like Lady Holiday. Now the beast made peace from holidays. Don't be back to hold down. Remember drinks too far away. Picture plays like Lady Holiday. Now the beast made peace from holidays. Don't be back to hold down. Dancing on the sunset in the mountains. Let's get this wave going. Go!
We love you!
This record is called Conversations with My Wife. I dreamt I slept on the sidewalk, but you still lay with me. I dreamt I fell in the lion's den, and you still came for me. I dreamt I lost all of my faith, and you still prayed for me. My song, my voice, you're the only thing I got right. Will you love me when my phone turns off? I don't want to be some digital Jesus. No more followers, we'll both get lost. Me and you inside real life. Will you love me when my phone turns off? I don't want to be some digital Jesus. No more followers, we'll both get lost. Me and you inside real life. Me and you inside real life. Me and you inside real life. Listen with my pride, thinking anytime you could just get up and go. Then I realize what the hell is love when you're in complete control.
Your love, John!
Hey ma, hey ma, hey ma, hey ma, hey, come to my house and take me home. Sucked up by the wave, shot to outer space, stranded but I'm not alone. Flying in this hole, sinking in your ocean, just like you designed me to do, and fall into your love. Sun rising up there, purple, yellow, red, only when it's you and me. So take me home. Come to my house and take me home. Come to my house and take me home. Please stay in the real world. Oh, yes, you have.
Let's go! Woo!
Keep that going, keep that going, keep that going. I said, let me get more to
Oh my!
This record's called Guillotine. Sometimes I like to get on stage and make myself feel a little more comfortable. And I think because it's such a beautiful night out, they even opened up the back wall. Make some noise, that back row, all the way back there, make some noise. That shit is wild. So what's dope about it is as it's running in my head, I can kind of go into the song however I want to go into the song. We can choose the sections, and you guys can help me out with a couple of sections, and we take it from there. So off top, coming on here. So you can freestyle. Sleep on me. Feel the rhythm in my chest, just breathe. And I will stay. So the legend in your heart don't fade. So we can do it again, because I have control. I said sleep on me. And feel the rhythm in my chest, just breathe. And I will stay. So the legend in your heart won't fade. And if you have a well dance on the day. Let's go three one more time. Again. The secrets you tell. I'll take to my grave. As long as my eyes and touch your puppet. I know that you love me. Band go down, everybody go. When I lose my head, louder. See what makes it nice to me? One people, just chilling. Let's hit it to a jam. Keep going. Y'all keep doing that. Secrets that you tell me, I'll take them to my room. There's balls up in my closet, but you ain't stuff anyway. And if you having nightmares, that's another day. Now y'all come with the bump it up. Even when I lose my head. Song's called Stupid Deep. What if who I hope to be was always me? And the love I fought to feel was always free. What if all the things I've done were just attempts at having love? Cause the hole inside my heart is still beating. Oh, still beating. Only where I tried to go was always here. I'm still beating. music, to me, is super special. Despite everything going on in this country, keep that guitar going. Is that despite what everybody looks like in this place, their background, where they come from, tonight is a night of music. Here's what's amazing about music. Do me a favor and look to your left and your right now. I need you to high five the person to your left and your right now, whether you know or not. All the way up on the top.
Let's go, bro. Woo!
I know a guy sent his mom to a man whose mother sent the song in the wrong one time. He was high and he wrote to the sky, getting dope, and then God played a song he recorded. He wrote it down, but he only played it at the face by sometime. But he survived on an island with wakes and provided the Valkyrie sirens and pirates all over God. But they took a bloody second in the night sometime. Screaming. I realize I need you here, as desperate as that sounds. Yeah. Last night I woke. I realize I need you here, as desperate as that sounds. Yeah. Can I talk to you guys for a quick second? GSP was always connected to something much bigger. There's an animated series on the way, make some noise one time. But here's the catch. As I get this series off the ground, I want my fan base to do it along with me, and here's how it's gonna happen. With every piece of merch that's purchased, you get a scannable barcode on your smartphone. If you scan that code and put in the password, after tour, there will be a poll system. You guys will get to create this series alongside with me. Make some noise one time. On the count. So real quick. Hey, you watching this video right now. I got a couple friends with me, and they want to show you how excited they were about the series. Anybody in the series, anybody in this building, real quick question. Anybody interested in an animated series? If you know the lyrics,
I just got chills!
but not least, I forgot to say this. There's one green ticket in merch tonight. If you are do not put it up in the sky, you will get mobbed. There's one green ticket tonight. If you have that green ticket, I need you to go to the merch booth. I said that twice today, merch booth. I need you to go to the merch booth, meet a guy named Albert. I'm going to fly you out to the premiere of the first episode of the animated series in New York. If you have the ticket, don't stay in your pocket. I don't know if anybody even purchased it yet, but yeah. So, my name is Jon Bellion. Thank you guys so much for being here.
What a night! Aftermath of the concert, I've lost my voice. It was awesome. We're amazed. Jon Bellion, you're the GOAT. I don't even know what to say. Wow. Just wow. Unbelievable. Wow. Yeah, that's how you roll out of a Jon Bellion concert for sure.